Your phone might be getting damaged every single day, and the scary part is, you're the one doing it. These are common daily habits millions of people do without thinking, but each one is silently destroying your smartphone. Stay until the end because the last habit is the most dangerous. And almost everyone does it. Smartphones are expensive, powerful, and essential in our daily lives, yet most people shorten their phone's lifespan without even realizing it. Today, we'll reveal the most common daily habits that slowly damage your smartphone, reduce battery life, and cost you money over time. Let's start. Charging your phone to 100% might feel like the right thing to do, but it actually stresses the battery. Lithium-ion batteries work best between 20% and 80%. Constantly charging to full capacity increases heat and chemical stress, which slowly degrades battery health. Over time, this leads to faster battery drain and the need to replace your phone much sooner than expected. Leaving your phone charging overnight seems harmless, but it keeps your battery under constant stress for hours. Even though modern phones stop charging at 100%, they repeatedly drop and recharge small amounts all night long. This constant cycle produces heat, which is one of the biggest enemies of battery lifespan. Not all chargers are created equal. Cheap or fake chargers often lack proper voltage control. This can cause overheating, unstable charging, or even internal damage to your phone's components. Saving a few dollars on a charger can end up costing you an entire phone. Heat is extremely damaging to smartphones. Leaving your phone in a hot car under direct sunlight or near heat sources can permanently reduce battery capacity. High temperatures also damage internal circuits, causing lag, crashes, and sudden shutdowns. Many apps continue running even when you're not using them. They consume battery power, generate heat, and slow down your device over time. Social media apps are especially known for draining resources even when the screen is off. Even water-resistant phones are not fully waterproof. Steam from showers, humidity, and accidental splashes can slowly damage internal components. Water damage doesn't always happen instantly, sometimes it appears weeks later. Dirt, dust, and pocket lint may seem harmless, but they can clog speakers, charging ports, and microphones. Over time, this causes charging issues, muffled sound, and overheating. A dirty phone is a slowly dying phone. Using your phone while charging increases heat dramatically. Gaming, watching videos, or video calls while charging puts maximum stress on the battery. This habit alone can cut battery life in half over time. These habits don't destroy your phone instantly, they destroy it slowly and silently. The good news is that small changes can protect your phone and extend its lifespan for years. Stop these habits today, and your phone will last longer, perform better, and save you money. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Your phone will thank you.